Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing our blowout routine. As you can see, this is what the before of the wig is looking like. I am going to go in and wash and condition the unit because a good blowout definitely depends on the products that you're using and basically what condition the hair is in. So I'm just washing the unit. I will be washing the unit twice and then just doing a general condition. No deep condition today just because I want the hair to remain kind of like light and airy so that we can get that blowout kind of look. So now I'm just going ahead and applying the conditioner. Once I do apply the conditioner, I do let it sit on there for maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to do something light, but nothing too much. And I know y'all see that this lace is definitely giving wet lace. This is what the hair looks like after a fresh wash and a condition. You can see it looks very shiny and just nice and healthy. So we're ready for our next step. When doing a blowout, I like to get the hair about 80% dry. So I'm just drying the hair. I've already parted the hair and sectioned it off. I'm gonna dry it down 80%. Once I dry it down to 80%, I'm gonna go in and begin sectioning. Because this is a wig, I am basically working with 2 rows of tracks at a time to give you an idea of how thick the sections are. This unit is very thick, as you guys can see, so I'm taking my time. I don't want my sections to be too big, and I don't want them to be too small either because I don't want to be here all day, but yeah, that's about how thick my sections are. So now I'm just gonna go in and split this section into about 2 sections because you basically want to fit the section of hair in your brush. So you don't want the section of hair to be larger than basically the surface area of your brush, because then it's gonna like spill out over the sides. Now, this is a technique I'm still perfecting, so not too much on me, but yeah, I'm focusing, or my goal was to kind of create like a little bit of a bump on the ends. So that's what you'll see me focusing more on. And I just basically take the dryer all the way down the length of the hair, rotating the brush once I get towards the ends to kind of like curl them. And then I kind of roll the brush upwards. You'll see me do this a few times just because I want to make sure it's as sleek as possible. So I'll go over it as many times as necessary. I will also go over it until I see the desired kind of curl I'm looking for on the ends. Once I see that curl, then you'll see me kind of go ahead and pin curl it up and then move on to the next section. I'm gonna do this throughout the entire head, and basically I like to pin curl the hair just so that the curls can really set in. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch while I go ahead and go through the rest of the wig, and I'll be back. I also want to note that I need a better tripod. So if you guys see me jerking back and forth, it's not because like the hair is giving me problems. It's because my tripod is rocking back and forth, and I need a lot of tension to do this blowout, and yeah, my tripod is just not that sturdy. So just want to let you know the hair is not like tangly or anything like that. It's just the tension that I'm using and not so good tripod. I forgot to mention that once I'm done brushing through the hair, I do hold it at the base and then do a cool shot for about 10 seconds. This also helps with setting the curl. Now that we're all done, I'm gonna go in with my Nairobi Sheen Spray just to give the hair some extra shine. I'm also gonna go in with my Root Touch Up Black Spray just to freshen my part a little bit, just to make it look a little bit more neat and put together. Now it's time for my favorite part, and that is taking down the curls. I don't always pin curl everything that I do, but if you want the curl to set a little bit better, then I definitely recommend pin curling them. I absolutely love this part because I just love seeing how the curls kind of like fall down and how they look. So yeah, I'm gonna go through, take all of the curls down, and we'll be back to finish off the final style. Just a final look at how everything turned out once I took down the pin curls. Again, this hair is very thick and it is about 24 inches, so it's very heavy. So the curls are going to fall naturally. Now would be the time if you would like to add maybe some hairspray, some holding spray, just so that you can maintain some of the curls. But I mean, do you see this? Do you see this? Just, looks so good. It's something about a fresh blowout that just does it for me each and every time. And I tell you, once I perfect this method, y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.